Good morning, my dear students. Today we will continue with the same types of plants. So, creepers. Some plants are there that grow along with the ground. They are known as creepers, like pumpkin plant and watermelon plant. Next, climbers. Some plants cannot grow straight on their own. They need support of wall or other plants like grapevine and cucumber. They cannot stand straight on their own. So, I hope you have understand all the different types of plants. Now, look around you and observe the different types of plants. Thank you.